Hey guys, my name is Matt Preuss from the Cutting Edge Landscape and Design. I'm coming out of quarantine. I've been stuck in the house the last 6 weeks with my wife and kids, and I'm getting tired of being inside, and I want to come back out and start enjoying my life again. I'm in here in my backyard. You can see behind me, I got this nice fire pit. I got a nice plantings, a vegetable garden bed. 6 weeks from now, 7 weeks from now, the tomatoes gonna be ready. It's gonna be great. My company does big and small projects. The small projects are small refreshers, planting, lighting. The big projects are the outdoor spaces. This video is going to show you who we are, what we do, and how we can service to help you guys. Thanks again. Enjoy the video. Well, for $10,000, $15,000, you can get fresh new lighting, you can get new planting, you can get a possible new walkway that we could rip out an old tile walkway, we can put some pavers down, we can get new grass. I'd like to say is let's get the lawnmower out of the front or backyard, get the garden out of your life. Let's do something efficient. Let's do something smart, conscious. Not a lot of water, so let's put some turf in, and that's your budget of $10,000 to $15,000. If you spend $10,000 to $15,000 in the backyard, you could put in a fire pit like I have behind my shoulder. You could put in a vegetable garden bed, maybe a small little planting area, maybe a small 500 square feet patio, and then that type of project is like a $15,000-$20,000 backyard project. So yeah, a front yard is easy for us. We can get in and out. My team can get in and out in less than a week. We can change out the landscape. We can change out the lighting. We can do some small minor hardscape work, and you get this really great refresh. And it's a no-brainer. So for $25,000, I normally say let's spend that in the backyard. Let's put in a fire pit. Let's put in a big barbecue. Let's put in the outdoor kitchen experience. Let's put the barbecue in. Let's put the kegerator in. Put in some nice countertops. Maybe we upgrade the flooring. And then maybe if we put a putting green in. I don't know if there's a lot of people out there are golfers, but you can have that gaming experience. So that's a good starting figure to $25,000. You get in the backyard. You can put in a small fire pit. You can enjoy a glass of wine with your family, with your wife. You've been locked up with your kids for the last 6 weeks. Get outside. You can enjoy the backyard space. So for like a $50,000 backyard project, now we're starting to hit that really awesome sweet spot. We can start looking at putting it in a school. A school is it runs like $25,000-$30,000. A school is a small mini pool. It's a spa. It's a jacuzzi. It's got some kind of water feature to it. Now we got a fire pit. We have maybe that barbecue, and now this project really starts getting. It really starts taking shape. A $50,000 project is a great entrance point to get that fire pit, get that barbecue, get that outdoor kitchen experience, and maybe start talking about a school or a pool in the backyard. Hey guys, thanks again for watching this video. It's been my pleasure to show you and tell you a little bit about the company. We'd love to give you a call. I'd love to talk to you about this project and see if we can help you out. Again, my name is Matt Preuss. I'm from the Cutting Edge. Thanks again. Have a great day.